And the best part of all of this is when you're understanding how to take money out of the market with cover calls, you're understanding how to take money out of the market with volatility trades, you're actually using that money to fund your long-term investing. And Courtney and I were just talking about this on a call the other day. This is probably the most powerful thing. So if you're thinking about investing, a lot of people in their mind, they're like, I got to take money out of my bank account. I got to take money out of my check. I got to put it into my investing account so that I can invest money. But once you learn how to do cover calls and volatility trades, you're actually taking money out of the market to fund your trades. So, if you're, struggling to take $200, $300 out of your own check every month to put it in the market, but you found a way to generate $500,000, sometimes $1,500 a month out of the market and put it into the market, that's essentially doing the same thing as finding another job that's paying you thousands of dollars a month and just taking that money and putting it in the market. So that's, what I really wanted to cover today, just the power of the system that we have here. Once you get this down, once you understand it fully, you have your long-term investments, you pick great stocks, you've done the research, you have your dividends coming in, your growth stocks are going forward, 3 to 5 year period, they've doubled, tripled, quadrupled. Some stocks we have in the program have hit 700% returns in those 3 to 5 years. Then you got your options trading, you're taking in cover call premiums, you're putting them into those long-term positions, buying a couple shares here and there when they hit your buy cycles. And then you have your volatility trading, you're making quick income, you're doing the same thing, you're taking those funds, you're putting in a long-term investing, and you're in the system. And next thing you know, your account balance is just growing, it's hitting leaps and bounds, and you're starting to see, the power of what's going on. But then it also will change your mindset. Now you start to think differently. You start to move differently. You start to act differently because you have something that's very powerful and you're doing things that are going to put you in a place financially where you can actually be free and where you want to be. So that's what I wanted to kind of talk about today. That's really the power of the system. And, when I start talking about it, I get really excited because I know what it's doing for me, but I wanted to do it for that to happen for all of you guys as well. And so I'll go ahead and wrap it up there. Courtney, is there anything you want to add on that?
No, yeah, you touched on all the points right there, man. It's an amazing thing, an amazing feeling when you know how to make your money work for you and produce consistent income week after week, month after month, and you're able to use that income to reinvest it into the market to make even more money, for you than what you already made, or you can take it out and use it in cash. But it's an amazing thing when you can think about reinvesting that type of money. So if you're generating $1,000 a month, you're able to reinvest $1,000 a month. And like Kev said, that's just like you taking $1,000 out of your paycheck that you work on your job. Same thing, but you're able to just get it from the market, reinvest it, and let that money grow. So you think about it like that, it's an amazing thing that we're doing here. And that's the point that we're really just trying to drive home with our members, right? Is the money, yeah, it's great to focus on the money and the excitement of trading, but we got to really understand what we're doing. We got to really understand the full system and look at it from, a kind of a longer perspective of what this can really do for us down the road if we stay consistent with this approach to the market. It's an amazing thing, and you guys got to stay plugged into it. So great training, Kev. That's all I got to say.
Thanks, man. Yeah, so we'll wrap it up. I feel the same, man. It's a great system. I'm excited for everybody to kind of dig in and kind of get that same mindset and start seeing that the account growth and the account gains that they can have when they really get into it. So yeah, that'll wrap it up for this week. Let us know if you have any questions. We'll get those on the Q&A next week, and have a good one. We'll talk to you next time.
Have a good week.